Hello there, this is Festus Amadi Chuku channel. I will be talking about a subject which I titled Money and His Four Jobs. The secret of money you have not heard about, as no one has ever told you about. How many of you know that money has four jobs? How many of you knows that money has four jobs? Think about it. Think about it. Money has four jobs. So what are the four jobs money has? These are the four jobs money has. 1. To spend. 2. To save. 3. To invest. 4. To donate. 'So these are the four jobs money has. Yes. Now you know, please do something about it. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe, like, and